Russia reported fresh Ukrainian drone attacks, a day after explosions erupted near military bases in Russian-held areas of Ukraine and Russia itself, apparent displays of Kyiv's growing ability to pummel Moscow's assets far from front lines. The latest incidents followed huge blasts last week at an airbase in Russian-annexed Crimea. In a new assessment, a Western official said that incident had rendered half of Russia's Black Sea Naval Aviation Force useless in a stroke. Russia's RIA and TASS news agencies, citing a local official in Crimea, said it appeared Russian anti-aircraft forces had been in action near the western Crimean port of Yevpatoria. TASS cited a local official as saying Russian anti-aircraft forces knocked down 6 Ukrainian drones sent to attack the town of Novokakhovka, east of the city of Kherson. Ukraine says retaking Kherson is one of its main priorities. Separately, an official in Crimea said defenses there downed an unspecified number of drones over the city of Sevastopol. The Ukrainian armed forces treated the Russians to a magical evening, said Seriklin, a member of Kherson's regional council disbanded by Russian occupation forces. The night before, multiple explosions had been reported in Crimea, which Moscow seized in 2014, including near Sevastopol, headquarters of Russia's Black Sea Fleet, as well as at Kerch near a huge bridge to Russia. Inside Russia, 2 villages had been evacuated after explosions at an ammunition dump in Belgorod province, more than 100 kilometers, 60 miles, from territory controlled by Ukrainian forces. Ukraine has been withholding official comment on incidents in Crimea or inside Russia while hinting that it is behind them using long-range weapons or sabotage. A Western official indicated that at least some of the incidents were Ukrainian attacks, saying Kyiv was consistently achieving kinetic effects deep behind Russia's lines. Huge explosions on August 9 at Russia's Saki air base on the Crimean coast had put more than half of the Black Sea Fleet's combat jets out of use, the official said, in what would be one of the costliest attacks of the war. Russia has denied aircraft were damaged in what it called an accident, although satellite pictures showed at least 8 burned-out warplanes and several huge craters. Moscow dismissed the head of the Black Sea Fleet this week. Ukraine hopes its apparent newfound ability to hit Russian targets behind the front line can turn the tide in the conflict, disrupting supply lines Moscow needs to support its occupation. Since last month, Ukraine has been fielding Western-supplied rockets to strike behind Russian lines. Some explosions reported in Crimea and Belgorod were beyond the range of ammunition Western countries have acknowledged sending so far. A senior Ukrainian official said around half of incidents in Crimea were Ukrainian attacks of some kind, and half accidents caused by Russia's poor operations. He emphasized that attacks were carried out by saboteurs rather than long-range weapons, though he would not say whether Kyiv now had ATACMS, a longer-range version of the U.S. HIMARS rockets it began using in June.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.